In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your crypto off Coinbase. In just 5 minutes, you'll learn how to transfer your cryptocurrency seamlessly and safely from Coinbase to an external wallet. If you're ready to ensure your digital assets are secure and accessible, let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to open your external wallet. This wallet should be a non-custodial one, meaning you'll have full control over your private keys. It's important to understand that having a non-custodial wallet gives you better security and ownership of your crypto assets compared to leaving them on an exchange. Now, once you've opened your wallet, go ahead and copy its crypto address. This will be used as the recipient address for your transfer. Be sure to double check this address because any mistake can lead to losing your cryptocurrency. Next, log into your Coinbase wallet. If you haven't used it in a while, now's a good time to make sure all your app updates are in place to ensure a smooth operation. Once logged in, you're going to navigate to the send option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer of your crypto. Now it's time to select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. This is where attention to detail is crucial. Make sure you choose the right type of cryptocurrency because sending, say, Bitcoin to an Ethereum address will result in a loss of funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. It's always a good idea to confirm your balance before proceeding, just to be sure you're within limits. With the correct amount set, paste the external wallet address that you copied earlier as the recipient. Again, a gentle reminder to double check this address. It's very easy to make small, costly mistakes, so ensure every character aligns perfectly with your intended destination. Once you're satisfied everything is correct, confirm and complete the transaction. This step might require you to follow any additional security measures Coinbase has in place, such as two-factor authentication. These measures, while slightly time-consuming, are there for your protection, safeguarding your assets against unauthorized access. Finally, after completing the transaction, all that's left is to wait for the transfer to confirm on the blockchain. Blockchain confirmations can take a few minutes to several hours depending on network traffic. During this time, you don't need to worry. Simply check your external wallet periodically to see when your funds arrive. Rest assured, once confirmed, your crypto will appear in your external wallet, ready for you to use or hold onto securely, knowing it's out of an exchange's hands. And there you have it, a straightforward way to move your cryptocurrency off Coinbase and into an external wallet. Thank you for joining me today. If this guide helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials on managing your digital assets securely. Stay safe and see you in the next video.